You spend thousands on anti-aging creams, superfoods, and 8 hours of sleep, but you are ignoring the biggest thief of your youth. Your head is currently older than your feet. Right now, you are living in 2 different time zones simultaneously because gravity is literally mugging your forehead. Over a standard 79-year lifetime, your brain would have lived a very tiny fraction of a second longer than your toes. It sounds small, but in the world of physics, this is massive. If you want to stay young, stop standing up, become a floor person. Gravity is a time thief and you are just letting it happen. This phenomenon happens because time isn't a universal constant, it's a local variable. The further you get from the center of the earth or any source of gravity, the faster the now happens. Why? Because gravity isn't just a pull that keeps you from floating into space. Gravity is the warping of the fabric of reality itself. Think of time like a river. Near a massive object like Earth, the water gets thick and it struggles to move. We call this gravitational time dilation. The mathematics looks like a nightmare, but the logic is simple. At your head, the river flows just a tiny bit faster than at your feet. You are literally moving through a different speed of reality. And this isn't just a curiosity sitting in a physics textbook. In 2010, physicists at the National Institute of Standards and Technology took 2 of the most precise atomic clocks ever built, clocks accurate to within a single second over billions of years, and raised one of them by just 33 centimeters, about the height of a shoebox. The higher clock ran faster, not by much but enough to confirm that the effect is real at human scales, at everyday height in a physics lab in Colorado. And if you think gravity stealing a few microseconds is bad, you haven't seen it when gravity goes completely God mode. Because everything we have talked about so far, that's weak gravity. Earth is barely bending time. It's like a gentle dent in reality. But a black hole, that's not a dent. That is reality being dragged into a drain. Near a black hole, time doesn't just slow down, it almost stops. If you were falling toward one, something terrifying would happen. From your perspective, everything feels normal. 1 second equals 1 second. But to someone watching you from far away, you would slow down more and more until you just freeze, like an insect trapped in amber. And from a perspective falling in, you would feel nothing unusual, at least for the very big ones. You would just cross that edge as if it wasn't there. 2 observers, the same event, completely different realities, all because mass caused space-time, and time, it turns out, was never as solid as we thought. Stay positive and grounded. Literally.